Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. A very happy Eid Mubarak to everyone. Today I will be sharing our Eid vlog, how we celebrated and what all we did from morning till evening, as well as what I prepared for Eid potluck. Usually before going to mosque early in the morning, it is time to prepare the sweet treat, that is sheer khurma. This year I did not prepare sheer khurma. I prepared a little different sweet Seviyan. This recipe is already there on my channel, very detailed. I will leave the link in the description box. All the nuts nicely chopped and few nuts are roasted, and this is nothing but poppy seeds roasted, and that colorful one is nothing but the coconut, shredded coconut. Like that, various kinds of nuts is all your choice. Even some fruit I will be adding in here. First, this way only we will usually layer it. A full raw sugar we will give one full layer in the bottom so that this vermicelli won't stick. From that recipe which I am sharing, right, the link in that, this colorful vermicelli alone will not be there. This which we get for faluda making, right, that I also added for giving a little bit color pop up in the dish. That's it. Same way like this, you can always have lot of nuts, which is the real life giving to this dish. So definitely keep lot of nuts and this bananas cut by the side while serving. Definitely everybody while eating, right, everybody will take more nuts and fruits as well. This poppy seeds will give really wonderful texture while eating. Sure, give it a try. Now our sweet treat is very much ready in the morning. For that we will prepare a special milk. Normal milk I boiled. To that I will be adding coconut milk 1 can, little bit of sugar and rose essence. All this together nicely, give it a good mix, and that also you keep in ample. Everybody will love to drink that milk as well by the side. Today I did not prepare any breakfast, as from masjid we will be going to school. Usually I never send my kids to school on Eid day, but today it was a different choice that we had to send them, because on the Eid day it is last day of school, as well as they also kept the award ceremony day. So it's unavoidable situations. So my kid will be going to school, and before going to school, this is the breakfast they had. While coming back home, we just picked some breakfast from a nearby restaurant that I have not added in over here. That's it. Our Eid morning has just get started. Now we have arrived at the mosque. Just keep watching.
School, grade 8 graduate and grade 12 graduate. It goes to over 72 schools. They receive a Muslim scholarship award. So this is a dawah. We are doing also lately, we just قيام تكبيرة وإلى 5 تكبيرات إن شاء الله. So all of us. Now a lot of people.
After the Eid prayer is over, instantly took few pictures. As usual, we will take after the Eid, and came directly to school quickly. And you can see here many of the kids and parents have come directly from masjid. Our community have lot of Muslim kids in the school, so you will see many parents and kids from Eid namaz. They have come to school directly for the award ceremony. How does it work here in Canada? Only when you are getting an award, the parent will be invited. That's how we have come here today. And also kids will not be coming here where they are giving the awards. Only the kids, all the kids sitting here, right, all those kids are getting award. That's why they are here. Other than that, they have some classmates, right, they all will be sitting in class only. That's how it works over here in Canada. After the award ceremony is over, we left our kid at school itself, because he wanted to just meet and greet with his friends for a few more hours, and we will be coming back to pick him up. No worries. Now again we will go home and start preparing for the potluck. I decided to take one sweet treat and a kabab platter, as it is Bakrid, right? A lot of non-veg, that is meat like stuff will be nice. So I thought of taking kebab platter. This is nothing but custard. All this custard, jelly and all I prepared previous day itself and kept it in the fridge. Now only cutting few fruits, that is apple and banana, and I will be mixing in the custard. And this is trifle custard which I am making, for which I have taken so many layers. One layer is cake, the other layer is custard mixed with fruits, and I will be giving another layer, that is I showed you the can, right? That is nothing but cherry filling which comes for pies. I will be using one layer over here, not one full solid layer because it will be too sweet, so give it gentle by the side. Likewise, even jelly also will be nice. With that idea only I have given in this trifle custard. You can give many layers of your choice, all even sweet vermicelli with custard mix, like that many ideas you can create by yourself. Even heavy whipping cream, one layer you can give, but I have kept it very simple with one layer of cake, one layer of custard, one layer of jelly and that pie mix. Like this I have kept the layering, and it is nothing but the fruit custard trifle. Very easy to make if you keep all the ingredients ready ahead of time. Now I am just giving one layer of nuts on top also. It's your personal choice. You can give nuts even inside the custard. No worries. Everything, whatever you like, you can make changes. Very beautiful custard trifle is very much ready. I have packed it in leak lock boxes. These boxes I bought from Costco, just for a piece of information where I can get all this at the very reasonable price. Usually when I make these kind of sweet, I make little extra. One box is to keep at home and one box is for the party. This is goat chops or even steak pieces. I have taken in that ginger garlic paste, pepper and salt. I have taken it in the Instapot. Add little bit of water so that it doesn't stick to the bottom, and I will cook it only for 6 minutes. Usually I will cook it for 9 minutes, but today 6 minutes is enough. We don't want to bake the steak pieces or the even the ribs pieces. You can see this masala is nothing but corn flour, yogurt and any powder masala of your choice, oil and lemon juice. Nicely give it a mix. Garam masala, chili powder, even chaat powder I will be adding in this. This is chaat powder. Like that, any masala of your choice you add. A nice hearty coat for all this chopped pieces. See, very gently mix them and give a nice coat. All these clips are from the previous day. Previous day itself I prepared all this and kept. On the Eid day I am not doing all this. Okay, you must understand things if you keep easy for you to get ready for the Eid day. Eid day you don't need to do all this. See, previous day itself I did all this and kept it in the fridge. Likewise, this is also previous day clip. I have taken nice beautiful cut on the chicken. Just ginger garlic paste, vinegar and salt. Mix it and there will be liquid coming out like this. Discard it. This is a powder, that is you can use it for chicken 65, for tandoori mix, anything. I bought it from India while coming. That is what I am using. No other special masala. For that I am just adding little bit of yogurt and oil. That's it. Nicely mix it. This also goes into a box. This also previous day itself. This is all for making kebab platter. See, now this clip is from the Eid day. I have just taken everything out of the fridge and I will be making it in air fryer, which is very easy for me. Rather than baking it, in baking lot of liquid gets wasted. In air fryer it perfectly gets cooked. This you all know if you are following me from long time. I make lot of kebab variety, that is shami kebab, and freeze it. I am taking few of the chicken shami kebab and also making it. This tandoori I will be doing in air fryer also. Bake mode is there, in that only I am doing. Don't do air fry mode. That will leave the chicken little bit uncooked inside. But now these chops and all I will put in air fryer mode only for 3 to 4 minutes. In between itself I went and got ready and came also to go to the party. Now it is final thing, that is this chops is the final thing I have made. Now it's time to pack it up and we will go to the party. That's it. I will just give a tissue layer on top and wrap it up with the aluminum foil, and our kebab platter is very much ready. There I will go and make this presentable. That also I will show how I will display it. Here other friends also had come. Potluck is usually 2 to 3 family or more families together come for a party with their own dishes. Everybody serve their own dishes. Together we will enjoy. That's it. See, in these lettuce plates only I will be keeping all my kebabs. Other friends also had made lot of sweet treats as well. Whatever food you prepare, always it is very much more important that you present it in a much more beautiful way. Garnishing and presenting the food is very important, because before you eat itself your eye eats. With your eyes itself you must get satisfaction. That is why presentation is very, very important. This time Eid day was really very busy, from morning going to mosque, going to school, coming and even preparing all these stuff, and coming and sitting and chit chat with friends. That time only we are going to relax for a little while. Whenever there is a party of this kind, especially during the time of Eid and all, we prepare really extra food so that even for dinner we will not be having any hassle. That's it. What all I have prepared, I have done my plating. Hope you all enjoyed watching our Eid day vlog. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel Live Tasty Be Happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.